talk about the refraction at a surface concave towards the rarer medium. Refraction at a surface concave towards rarer medium. First I will try this. This is a concave, this is a principal axis, and this was focus, this was center, and the object is, we are placing an object here. If we draw the normal from this one, the ray is going towards this direction. When ray is going toward this direction, the image formed will be at this point I, and this was an object. If I consider here the angle formed by this was gamma, this is beta, and this is alpha. First, I will talk the example, this one. Secondly, this was a ray. It has to go toward this side. So this angle was, that's I incident angle. Instead of going toward this side, this ray will bend toward this side, and it actually meet at this point. So this angle was an angle R. So this is an angle, we can say the R angle. And here we have drawn the normal from here. This is A and this is M. If we see, this was an angle, that's I. If I took a triangle AOC, if I took the triangle AOC, in case of AOC, I plus alpha was equal to gamma, and this was an R. I took the triangle AOI. That angle is, this one is R, because this angle is R, this angle was alpha. If I took this one as a triangle, here the angle formed by this is, this one was the ray, this was one of the ray, this was R angle, and this was the normal. It will bend toward this side. This is normal with it. It was forming the angle. This angle was R, and this is, we can take AIC is the triangle. AIC is the triangle. Angle R plus angle beta is equal to gamma. And sine I upon sine R is equal to mu2 upon mu1. So angle is very small, mu1 into I is equal to mu2 into R. So mu1 into, that's gamma minus alpha is equal to mu2 gamma minus beta. Here, if I took the example of this one, now what I do in this case, mu1 into gamma value is, that's Am upon mc minus Am upon mo, mu2 Am upon mc minus Am upon mi. All the distances are met from the pole, so m is very near to p. So instead of mc, you can put the p. So mu1 Am upon pc minus Am upon po, mu2 Am upon pc minus Am upon pi. So Am is, in all the cases you can cancel out Am. So what we can do here, this is mu1 into 1 upon pc minus 1 upon po, mu2 into 1 upon pc minus 1 upon pi. This, in this case, if you look at this value, that's I will take this consideration that PC is on this side, it's equal to minus R, and PO is minus U, and PI is minus P. All the distances are on this side. So mu1 into 1 upon minus R minus U is equal to mu2 1 upon minus R minus V. So this will be the value. So if I take this one, so minus mu1 upon R plus mu1 upon U is equal to minus mu2 upon R plus mu2 upon P. So this I took on this side, mu2 upon R minus mu1 upon R is equal to minus mu1 upon U plus mu2 upon V. So object was in rarer medium. So this is the refractive index of rarer medium. So image found to be in dancer, we suppose, but it is a virtual image because concave refracting surface, when the concave is towards the rarer medium, it is always forming the virtual images. So concaves are forming the virtual images, but convex surfaces are forming both the images, real as well as virtual. So this is the formula of it. That's minus mu1 upon U plus mu2 upon V is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. So thanks. Have a nice day. So this was about the refraction at a surface concave towards the rarer medium.